Let me tell you the secret most people skip when cooking okra soup. If your okra never tastes rich or always feels overcooked, this is why. I fry my okra first, just small minutes, and the flavor is on another level. Today I will show you how to make okra soup that's tasty, balanced, and doesn't need too much seasoning. Stay with me, you will love this one. First things first, prep is everything. Start by prepping your meat, stockfish, dried fish, and any protein you are using. Wash them properly and season lightly because remember, we are building the layers of flavor. Next, wash and cut your okra, onions, and your vegetables. I always like to do all my shopping at once. It makes cooking calm and stress-free. Cut your okra the way you enjoy it. Fine cut for more draw, bigger cuts for texture. Now place a pot on a medium heat and add your red oil and then your onions. Please, and this is important, do not allow the oil to bleach. Once red oil bleaches, it loses both flavor and nutrients. You want that rich, deep color to stay. Next, add your okra into the pot. Yes, we're frying the okra first, and trust me, this step makes a big difference. Okra is a vegetable, and personally, I love mine half done, not tired and overcooked. So don't over fry it, okay? Fry for about 5 to 10 minutes, just enough to bring out the flavor. And after that, remove the okra from the pot and set it aside. Frying okra before cooking gives your soup a beautiful aroma and an irresistible taste. This one step alone can upgrade your okra soup completely. In that same pot, yes, don't wash it. Add water and your meat stock. Then add a little obon, also known as bush mango, for thickening. This step is totally optional, so feel free to skip it if you don't like obon. Now here's one of my favorite tricks. Add your crayfish and dried fish early. This allows the flavor to infuse deeply into the soup instead of sitting on top. The result? A richer, tasty, deeper flavor, and honestly, you won't even need much seasoning later. Your soup will taste better naturally. Cover the pot and let it simmer on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. This is where everything starts to come together. No rushing here. Good soup needs patience. After simmering, add the rest of your ingredients, your meat, seasonings, and any other thing else you are using. Cover again and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. At this point, your kitchen should already be smelling amazing. Now let's talk vegetables. Today I'm using blanched frozen kale. If you're using kale, fresh or frozen, I strongly suggest that blanching is first. Blanching helps remove that slightly, sweet taste kale they can have, which doesn't always work well in soup. So if you're using frozen vegetables, blanch them too. This keeps your soup fresh tasting and clean. Add your vegetables, then return the fried okra back into the pot. Gently combine everything. Turn off the heat, cover the pot and let the soup cook in its own steam for about 5 minutes. This step helps everything settle without overcooking the okra or vegetables. After that, remove completely from heat and that's it. Don't overcook okra. So I'm going to give you my final tips. Don't overcook your okra. Texture matters. Frying okra first boosts flavor. Add crayfish early to reduce seasoning cubes. Blanch kale or frozen vegetables for a cleaner taste. And the last, medium heat is your best friend. And just like that, your okra soup is ready. Simple and absolutely comforting. If you enjoyed cooking with me today, please like the video, subscribe and share it with someone who loves good food. Until we meet again, have a great day and always remember that home cooking is always better. Bye.